This call is now being recorded.
Okay, so now let us execute the second program. I'll just go to command prompt, gedit space name of your file. I'm giving lab2.tcl. So as usual, we have to create TCL file first. Okay, press enter. It will open a blank document. Here you have to type the TCL file content. I'll just copy paste. Okay, now I have just copied the contents of this lab2.tcl. Okay, and here you can observe the name of the trace file. We are giving here as lab2.tr. That is our trace file name, which we are going to use while executing awk file. Okay, so after creating this file, click on save button, close the window, go back to command prompt. Now let us execute. To execute the TCL file, the command is ns followed by file name. File name is lab2.tcl. Okay, so now just minimize the first window and here enlarge this window. Let us run the simulation by clicking on fourth button. So here the fourth node is the intermediate node and all the remaining 5 nodes are connected to this node 4. And here we are trying to introduce some congestion into the network. And we are going to measure the number of packets dropped due to congestion. Just wait until the simulation completes. And you can see here node 4, the intermediate node, is dropping some of the packets because of overflow in the buffer. When the simulation completes, you have to close the window and execute the awk file. Okay, so now the simulation is complete. So I'll just close this window and this animation file which we executed now, it will generate a trace file. Let me open the trace file and see if we have some contents there. To open the trace file, the command is gedit and name of our trace file is lab2.tr. So see here also you can see the trace file content. The same 11 columns are there and one of the column you can see here, the fifth column shows ping. Earlier in the previous trace file in lab1.tr, it was showing CBR because CBR was the packet type. But here it is the ping because we are using ping command here. Okay, ping is one of the ICMP command which is used to check whether a particular node in the network is reachable or not. For that we use ping command. So again here also we want to find out how many number of Ds are there in the first column. That is how many number of packets get dropped due to congestion. So for that you have to write awk file. The command is first you have to create awk file gedit lab2.awk. Here we have to type the content of awk file. Okay, I'll just copy paste. Yeah, so we created the awk file. Let us execute this awk file. Go to command prompt. The command to execute awk file is awk space -f space name of the awk file. It is lab2.awk space one more parameter we have to give. That is this awk file should take trace file as the input and from that trace file it has to count the number of Ds. That's why lab2.tr is the name of our trace file which we have written in the TCL file. So write awk, that is the command name, space -f, file parameters we are giving, space name of the awk file. Once again leave a space and write the name of the trace file. Then press enter. It is showing the output as total number of ping packets dropped due to congestion equal to 20. So 20 packets got dropped due to congestion in this program. Okay, so this is about second program.